That's a really good question. I think it's understanding both the science and the practice, and being brave enough to face fears with people together. So this is our tarantula. We will use Frida to trigger the fear response. So she's like our little helper. What's most unique about the Memrec treatment is how quickly we see really strong results. We have to go out and find what the person is afraid of in real life. Sometimes we go on high bridges, tall buildings, up into the mountains, but we really do want to get to the core of the fear. The emotional memory we're working with here is how you have learned to think, feel, and behave around a spider, for example. Part of the information is telling you fight or flight. So what we're doing with Memrec is we're first targeting that precise misinformation. What that means is that after sleep, if you trigger the same memory with the same search, what should happen is that the body doesn't respond with fear anymore, even though they might expect to. There's never a dull moment in this job. So whenever you're ready, you get to see someone face their biggest fear, climb their Mount Everest every day. So I find it quite a privilege to be able to witness that. Interestingly, people come back on the second day and they tell me that they don't think the treatment has worked. And it's only once we enter the space again and we face the fear again that they themselves see that they're actually okay. At the moment, our success rate is 83%, and that's full remission of fear. I had a client last week who had been avoiding medical care for decades. She'd had no blood tests, she'd had children with an anesthetic, but she came to realize that if she didn't do this treatment now, that she may not live for more than 10 years. As I walked through the district and looked around at all of the other wonderful clinics that have been opened here, that was when I realized that this was the right place for us to be. It was a breakthrough moment. So what's really exciting about being here is the openness to collaboration and all these opportunities that are coming through. If I were to use 3 words to describe the Harley Street Health District, they would be beauty, innovation, and interconnectedness.